There's something magical about the stillness of a lake. As the sun rises, the water comes alive, reflecting colors that paint the sky. It's a moment of peace, a connection to the heart of nature. The journey begins with a single step as the trail winds through a forest full of life. Every step brings new sights, whispering leaves, hidden streams, and the call of birds from above. Nature's song surrounds you, climbing higher. The world opens up. The mountains rise in the distance, tall and timeless. Each peak tells a story of endurance, shaped by wind and time. They remind us of nature's power and beauty, ever-changing and unstoppable. And as the day ends, the mountains glow in the fading light. Nature's wonders, from lakes to peaks, leave a mark on your soul, a reminder of the beauty that surrounds us. If we only take the time to see